Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today is going to just be a super quick how I straighten my hair video. So if you want to see what I use and how I straighten my hair, then just keep watching. Alright, so I thought it might be I thought it would be interesting to show you how I straighten my hair. So I'm just going to quickly show you. As you guys can see, my hair is fairly straight. Now a lot of times my hair won't be this straight because I go to sleep on wet hair. I know that's probably terrible, but it is what it is, and a lot of times it does get more like kinks in it and stuff, but I do like to just straighten it out so it's all straight. The straightener that I recently picked up, I got it from Amazon for like 20 or 30 bucks. It's called Kiposi Professional Salon Tools. So it looks like this. You can adjust the heat. I started at 350. It does go higher. I just figure might as well use less heat than, you know, not start at the max. And this straightens my hair super quick. I mean, I read the reviews and I wasn't sure if they'd all be, you know, 100% accurate, but man, this thing straightens so much faster than the old straightener I was using, so it was definitely worth picking up. So since I don't have like a ton of hair, it doesn't take me very long, but I do like to just do it in two sections. So I'll just pull some of this up, clip it, straighten, and then do the top, and it doesn't take me very long at all. So I just take like about that much of my hair, probably about half, and I just clip it up to the top. And I will take a second clip just so that this doesn't fall down. And then now I'm left with two chunks of hair on each side. And then I just go over and straighten it. And when I'm telling you, this thing straightens so fast, I am not even joking. I am trying to like look in the viewfinder to do this instead of looking in a mirror like I normally would. So it might take me just a little bit longer, but I mean, this thing, it just straightens so well. And I'm sure if I increase the heat too, it might even go a little bit faster. But like I said, why damage my hair more than necessary? So that is what, as you guys can see, like there definitely is a difference. I mean, this looks more polished and just more put together than this side that hasn't been straightened. Alright, so as you guys can see, that is straight. Didn't take me long at all. So then what I'll do is I will just pull this back, take the clip I used here, clip it, and then I will just let the top part down, and I'll brush it over really quickly. And I try to make sure I'm pulling all of it to the front, that way nothing is getting left in the back. And I'll just do the same exact thing, except this time I'll probably have to take it in a couple more chunks just because I do have more hair in this section. So then I will just take this part of the hair out of the clip, brush through it as a whole. Some parts of my hair were still kind of damp from when I showered this morning, so it's okay. And I just like to quickly go over all of it now that it's all down together, and I just kind of like blend it all together this way. And just go over any pieces that might need a little bit more straightening. I do not have a ton of like volume in my hair, which kind of sucks. I do have very fine, just flat, thin, fine hair. So, I try to like flip it over. That way it looks a little more voluminous than it does when it's flat. So that is it for straightening my hair. I mean, this literally took me like 3 minutes, 5 minutes. So I absolutely love this and I highly recommend it. I mean, and I like how like wide it is too, because my other one, I'll actually show you, hold on. So I was using this straightener for the longest time. I don't even remember where I got this. I think I've legit had this since like middle school, high school. So this is like Ionica Professional Hairstyling. Now, as you guys can see, it is thinner than this one, so I like that this one covers more surface area at a time, so I think that really cut down on my straightening time. And this one, I was constantly having to like go over pieces again and again, so don't really recommend this one. I mean, it did the job for all these years, but it definitely took more time, whereas this one, as you guys just saw, I did it so quickly and nicely. So I really like this one, and like I said, it was like 20 or 30 bucks on Amazon. I will link it down below in case you guys are interested. And I also wanted to show you one other thing I got for this hair straightener, because I do go between my house and my boyfriend's house, and I will be traveling, so I picked this up, and it is a Vera Bradley like Hot Tools holder. And what I love about this is that you can literally, like, you're done with it and you can stick it in the heat. It is like heat resistant on the inside, so what I do is I just usually stick it in and then I wrap the cord around it, and now I know that I can stick this right in my duffel bag or my suitcase and it will be fine and it won't ruin any of my clothes. So I think I also got this on Amazon. If I did, I will link it down below. And yeah, I really like this. So that is my straightening routine. Alright guys, so that is it for my hair straightening routine. As you guys saw, it does not take me very long. Of course, if you have thicker hair, curlier hair, it will take you longer, but I really do love that hair straightener. I have used it several times since I've gotten it, and it just makes straightening my hair so much easier than the hair straightener I was using before. I love that you can adjust the heat setting. You can on my other one too, but I like how this one shows you like digitally. My other one was just like a turn, like a little turn knob, so I love that you can kind of test lower heat settings before having to go all the way to the highest setting, so you don't have to damage your hair as much. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you go so you don't miss any future videos. And I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.